Okay, so my name is Sonja Breuer, and my brand is The Nutrition Healer. I'm an Ayurvedic consultant, and I help people sleep better with Ayurvedic lifestyle change. But we are here today to learn more about Marma Therapy, which is a part of Ayurveda. It's not practiced terribly often, so it is a very privilege and a good opportunity to meet Sebastian Lazer, who is an expert in Marma Therapy. So for the benefit of everyone, we want to find out a little bit more about this ancient practice. So perhaps, Dr. Lazer, you can explain to us a little bit more, first of all, who you are, what your background is, and why, how you practice.
I am Dr. Sebastian Lazer from Kerela, India. Mm-hmm. I have a graduation of Bachelor of Siddha Medicine and Surgery from Kerala University, Thiruvananthapuram. I am from a well-known traditional Siddha and Ayurveda family. My grandfather, Devasahayam Vaidya, had been treated natives with Siddha and Ayurveda medication. Later, my father, Lazer Vaidya, and my mother, D.G. Ratnam, followed his traditional treatment. Now, me and my wife, Dr. Chinchu Sebastian, is accompanying my father. That is my background.
Oh wow! So you have a family tradition and a university degree in Ayurvedic studies. That's fantastic.
Yeah, in Siddha, yes.
Yeah. So you mentioned Siddha. How is Siddha different to Ayurveda, or how is Siddha the same as Ayurveda? How does Siddha fit into the Ayurvedic world?
Siddha system is the oldest natural medical system in India. It flourished in southern part of India. Sage Agastya is said to be the father of Siddha medical system. This medical system is said to be given by God Shiva. Shiva to goddess Parvati Devi, Parvati Devi to Nandi Deva, Nandi Deva gives to Ashwini Deva, Ashwini Deva gives to Sage Agastya. Historically, this holistic system of medicine is believed to originate around 5000 BC from the ancient period of the Dravidian civilization. The text describes the medical system rooted in the same fundamental philosophies as other Indian medical systems like Ayurveda and Yoga. The Siddhas aim for harmonious existence free from the diseases. In Siddha, here in human body is considered to made up of 96 principles. According to Siddhas, the microcosm, that is human body, is the miniature of macrocosm. Macrocosm, that is the universe. And the changes that occurs in the macrocosm involves the microcosm also. That means the universal changes is occurring in the human body also. The basic five, which is the macrocosm made up of, is also the base of for microcosm. That is earth, water, fire, air, and space. These elements combine in their subtle to materialize the body having different constitution. As in Ayurveda, in Siddha, also the constitution of the body is determined by three humors, that means Vata, Pitta, Kapha, which is formed from Panchabhudam. In Siddha is called Mukutram. With the respect of the companions of the individual constitution is varied. According to the constitution, the character, taste, living all varies. Also the diseases. Imbalance of these mukutram causes diseases. in the human body to get rid of all these diseases. Siddha elaborate the medications too. There are four arms for Siddha known as Vadam, Vaidyam, Yogam, and Jnana. Vadam. It includes Rasavadam, in which hierarchy metals can be utilized to prepare medicines. Even with the minute amount, they can do miracles in the treating diseases. Vaidyam, it includes the medicaments involving the medicine 64 all categories, involving 32 types of internal medicine and 32 types of external therapies. Yoga, it explains the living in a harmony with good thoughts, actions, pranayama, and meditation, and external salvation by knowing oneself to attaining the samadhi. Jnanam deals with the philosophical as well as spiritual concepts. Siddha says, in our body have 72,000 blood vessels, 1,300 nerves, 10 nadis, that mean arteries, 10 vayus or prana elements, 10 vegangal or natural functions. Now I like to say about diagnostic aspect of the Siddha. In Siddha have 8 type of diagnostic method. One is pulse, second one is touch, third one is tongue, fourth one is color, fifth one is speech, sixth one is sight, seventh one is bowel, and eighth one is urine.
So now, what is the Marma system? What are Marma points? And what is all that part of the Siddha tradition?
Marma system is one of the uniqueness of Siddha medical system. Marma means life center. There are hundreds of Marma points in our body, but only 1 or 8 of them are scientifically used. Blood vessels and pulse position come together, these marmas. Each marma have its own specific and definite matra. Matra means this pressure. Injuries of these points leads to unconscious. At these points leads to unconsciousness, many problems like unable to move, body pain and paralysis, something like etc. The main method of resolving orthopedic problem is Marma Therapy. It's like method of curing nervous disorders of result. Symptoms of stimulating certain extremely sensitive and vital points called Marma. Marmams are generally classified into two. Paduvarmam in 12 in number and Toduvarmam 96 in number. Paduvarmam, it is 12 in number. They are a little bit dangerous. A stroke on of these points will make unconscious.
Oh.
If it is not treated, and made conscious within a particular period of time, it will become more dangerous. Marma therapy can make the normal position, make conscious. And also the Paduvarmam aperture, we give the treatment plus medications also. This will be must take a treatment in the period of the time, particular period of the time. Then we can talk about Toduvarmam. Toduvarmam, they are not very dangerous. Only strong stroke or punches can injure them. There are in 2 types, Asadhyavarmam and Sadhyavarmam. Sadhyavarmam generally on the hands and legs. Asadhyavarmam is in the head, neck, and the anal part and the lower abdomen. Again, it is divided into 5. Vada Varma, 64, it's in hands and legs. Pitta Varma, 24, it's head and body. Tilapana Varma, 6, it's in our chest. Ulvarma, 6, inside the body. More pressure need for finding Ulvarma. Tattvarma, 8, very sensitive Mama points. Again, we can classify Marma from head to neck, 25, from neck to navel, 45, from navel to anus, 9, on hands, 14, on legs, 15. On hands, we can, I would like to show some Mama points in my hand. This is on Mama points, and 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 here on Mama points, and here on Mama points, here on Mama points, and here on Mama. And also in head, everyone knows about this Mama point, and here in Mama point, and that sort of the neck is a little bit dangerous Mama points, and here Mama points, and here Mama points, and also here. Now our body on a take Mama points.
So what kind of diseases can Marma therapy be helpful with?
Marma therapy will be helpful for those kind of problems like heat injury, accidental injury, falling from the height, improperly carrying the weight. These all leads to diseases like head problem, cervical problem, shoulder problem, lumbar problem, hip problem, knee problem, etc. All type of muscle problem, nerve problem can get improvement via Marma therapy.
And what kind of improvement is possible? Is it 100% improvement, or can we manage conditions?
Depend upon the severity of the diseases.
Right.
If they take proper Marma therapy and meditation, they will get significant improvement.
Okay, so we are very hopeful. And what are the mechanics with which this system works? I mean, how does it work that if you press a few buttons or Marma points, suddenly my condition will improve? What is the mechanics behind that?
It is vitalizes and clears body energy centers and clears blood circulation. Thereby, it removes toxins from the affected parts. It energizes muscles, blood vessels, and nerves.
And how long does it take for somebody to feel a benefit and for feeling that the condition has improved?
It may depend upon the severity of the diseases. Normally, after 10 days of the patient feel getting better. After 10 days, patient is getting better. In some cases, needs 28 days treatment. In some cases, needs more treatment like twice a year. Otherwise, yearly once is okay for the treatment. But minimum course of the treatment is 14 days.
Aha, okay. And do you have an example of that you can share with us of a person who came to your clinic in pain and left happy?
Yeah, I have a big experience. That's a lot of small experience, but I would like to share with a big experience with you. There is one man, maybe around 6 or 7 months. He came for a back pain because he can't able to move, able to walk, able to sleep. A lot of days he's suffering, very stressful. He can't able to sit more than 5 minutes, and he can't able to lay on the bed more than 5 minutes. It is very difficult condition for his life, and he's after his job too. He came to me a lot of therapies, maybe more than 5 treatments from other places, and some other people recommended about my therapy, and he comes. I do the treatment for the first 10 days is a bit of big pain for his body because I think he didn't believe me, didn't believe me about my treatment. But I told him because you have a big problem, you need a good therapy because so you feel little bit pain. But I know it's very big pain. After 10 days, 10 days after he feel good, better, little bit
Yes.
better for his problems. Then and after that, gradually day by day, he feel good relief, good. Then after maybe 20 days after he walks properly and he can sit sometime, not more time, but he can sit more than before. He sit properly, he walk, he sleep, then after 28 days of full course of Marma Therapy and other medical herbal treatment, oil treatment, some milk treatment. Then after he feel very good. He walk fastly. He sit properly more time, and his stress is always gone, and he rejoin his duty. And I think he's so happy after my treatment.
Is the treatment painful? You said like he at first the treatment was painful. Did he feel that is it painful for everyone or?
Marma therapy for a normal person don't feel any pain, but the normal person they feel their internal and external body more energized. For normal person, very energized. If there is any problem for that particular area, they feel pain. But they're pain for few days, not for all days, but not only for few days. When the circulation gets cleared, the pain gradually decreased day by day.
I always say there is good pain. So massage pain is good pain. No pain, no
This
gain.
is this is not massage, Sancha. This is Marma therapy.
Yeah,
This typically
yeah,
Marma therapy.
okay. Yeah. I didn't mean that. I meant to say that sometimes even massage can be painful. Of course, it's fun. Yes. Um, so tell us what happens in an Ayurvedic consultation or a Marma Therapy consultation when people come to your clinic. What can they expect to happen? What process do you follow?
Yeah, our consultation starts with pulse perception. We diagnose the particular problem, then we discuss the present condition of the patient. After that, we suggest the treatment course. For each person, treatment will vary. There is yeah, a little bit similarities of some people who some little bit similarities. But for Marma therapy, we give the pressure is different pressure for the different problems, and normal person for different pressure, and problem patient for different pressure we give. Uh, Sometimes, yeah, that's our consultation because we discuss with the patient first. Every day we discuss what is your feeling today, what is your, what do you need, where is the painful areas, where the pain is reduced. Because we discuss with patients every day. Before the therapy, we discuss with the patient. That's our traditional way of style. The Siddha style is we talking with patient and we treating with physically and mentally.
Yeah.
That is our Siddha system.
Yeah, so it sounds like a wonderful therapy. If I have some pain or something is wrong with me, I can get better. And if there's nothing wrong with me, I feel more energy and I feel more vital. So how can we have the benefit of your Marma therapy? Where do we have to go?
For our consultation and Marma therapy, you can directly contact via Soncha, and I think this is a better option. Or if people need to contact me directly, they can visit my website, and there is then my number and my email ID is there. My website is www.agasthyasiddha.com.
Yes, and we'll put a little link to your website. So your clinic is in Kerela in India, yeah? So,
Yeah, my clinic is situated in very picturesque area, Kovalam. This is in Kerala, in Trivandrum. It's very beautiful. I welcome you all for, if you have a problem, you come. I am here for you. I
perfect.
welcome you all for the treatment.
For anybody going on holiday to Kerala in India, make sure you drop in and see Sebastian Lazer for a bit of Marma Therapy. So last but not least, what can we do at home to prevent any problems in our body happening? What would be your recommendation?
Yeah, Siddha says also prevention is better than cure. Our Siddha system says that, yeah, our science, prevention is better than cure. Yeah, all Siddha says about the problem, most of the problems come from stomach. Most of the problems come from stomach. So, good and healthy food and water is for healthy life, and do daily exercises and try to avoid continuous work. Give rest to your body and mind sometimes, because that's very good for our. You must care more, give more care to your body. That time your body works very actively, very energetic. That's my recommendation for the people.
Yes, that's very true. Sometimes we forget that we actually are a biological, spiritual being, and we just squeeze into our duties every day, and we forget to look at who we are. So that's very good advice to look at our
Yeah,
biological.
if you want to your duty perfectly and strongly, your body must be strong. Your mind also must be strong. That time you keep your body healthy. Be
Yeah,
healthy always.
yes. So if we're feeling a bit stressed or under the weather, then something has gone wrong in the process, right? So thank you very much, Dr. Lazer. That was very, very insightful and very good to speak to you. I loved hearing about Marma Therapy and how it can help me, and I'm certainly looking forward. When I go to Kerala in India, I'll be the first one knocking on your door.
Yeah,
I
you're
appreciate
most
it.
welcome.
Yeah, very
Most
good.
welcome.
Thank you very
Here
much.
you can enjoy, yeah, here you can enjoy the beaches and treatment and very good healthy food. Yeah, it's in a different world,
Oh,
holistic world.
I can't wait. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.
Yeah, same to you. It's a very nice. I'm very so happy to give my impression about Sita. I am very happy. So very namaste to everyone again.
And if anybody wants me to put you in touch with Dr. Lazer, you can email me at info@thenutritionhealer.com, and I'll forward you his details. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Okay.